Welcome to a demo of the RuleScape ODM Test Lynx brought to you by RuleScape Consulting. Business user validation is a critical part of a successful decision service implementation, and IBM's Operational Decision Manager, or ODM, provides a wonderful capability where test scenarios can be defined by a business user using Excel. This involves 3 steps. 1. Generate the scenario template. 2. Add test scenarios. And 3. Upload and run in Decision Center. For a domain of any complexity, step 2, which is the creation and maintenance of these test scenarios in Excel, can be cumbersome. This free Excel add-in from RuleScape hopes to alleviate that. This worksheet may look familiar to you if you've used ODM test suites. This demo uses test scenarios for a mortgage decision service which has a complex domain model and therefore has a lot of worksheets. This makes it very hard to navigate and create test data. Let's fire up the ODM Test Lynx to see how it can help. After installing the add-in, you can find it in the Data ribbon. With this, you can link data, create validation drop-downs, highlight data errors, freeze panes, and format and resize columns. Let's select them all and run it. Right away, you see that the formatting is now standardized and the columns are correctly sized based on the data. In addition, panes are frozen if they are large enough. You also notice that hyperlinks have been added. There are 2 types of links, data and scenario. Clicking on a data cell takes me to the source worksheet where it is defined. Clicking on the label takes me back. With this, I can easily navigate nested structures forward and backward. Clicking on a scenario name takes me to the expected result for that scenario. And clicking on the expected scenario label takes me back to the scenario request. Drop-downs make it easy to reuse existing data to create new scenarios. And these lists are dynamic. For example, when I add a new insurance data record, this list gets automatically updated. Data errors are highlighted in red while warnings are in aqua. Highlighted tabs indicate that the worksheet has data errors which must be fixed before executing the scenarios in Decision Center. Note that these enhanced test suites can be uploaded to the Decision Center as is. However, if for some reason I want to remove these enhancements, I can go to the Remove tab and remove any or all of these enhancements. Please download the add-in from the Windows Office 365 store. We think you will find it an essential companion for managing your test scenarios. And it works with all versions of ODM, including the older ones that used decision validation services. And did I mention it is free? Hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.